Hello, this video will show you how to set the printer before you use it. First, you need to install the battery. Then, press the red button on the right side of the screen for a few seconds to switch on the screen. Then press text to create a new text. There's ABC and PY. PY is for Chinese, just forget it. You just need to choose ABC. Let me input some word. Coditeck, that's our brand. Then there's half and full. You need to choose full. You need to choose half. If you choose full, the text will be new. Then you can also adjust the font size, font letter, and that's font size, font style. There's arrow and new Roman. You can choose new Roman. Then there's height. That's letter height. If you choose 50, then the letter size will be about 3 mm. Okay. There's an arrow. This arrow is for deleting the letters. For example, like that. Okay. And now we can choose OK. Then we need to install the cartridge. Okay. Let me input some word. Okay, now we can print. You need to choose print, and there's some setting about print setting. First, you need to choose control by encoder, and you need to off the photoelectricity, and then now we can try to print. Back. And double press the red button on the handhold. When you hear a sound ding, then you can print. That's the printing result.